Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you what to do when this error shows up in Google Chrome. So let's get right into it. The first thing you have to check is your connection. Try restarting your router to see if that solves the problem. If that doesn't work, try switching networks to see if the problem is from your Wi-Fi. If that also doesn't work, check the connection on different devices. If you're sure the problem is not from your connection, you can try clearing Chrome's cache and cookies. Corrupted cache and cookies can cause loading errors. Click the three dots in the top right corner, scroll down and select Settings. Here, go to Privacy and Security and select Delete Browsing Data. For the time range, select Last 4 weeks and click Delete Data. If clearing cache doesn't work for you, you can try changing the DNS server. Go to the search bar on your computer and type Network and Internet. It will take you to Settings. Here, select Network and Internet. Scroll down and select Change Adapter Options. Here, right-click on your internet connection and click Properties. In Properties, scroll down and find Internet Protocol version 4. Select it and click Properties. Then change Obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. And then for preferred DNS server, type 8888, and for alternate DNS server, type 8844. Click OK and close this. If this still doesn't work for you, you can try disabling your Chrome extensions to see if anyone may be interfering with your connection. Go back to Settings and select Extensions. Here, disable all your extensions and try reloading the page. If it works, re-enable the extensions one by one to find the culprit. If the issue still hasn't been resolved, go back to Settings and select About Chrome to check for updates. Always make sure Chrome is up to date because outdated versions can have issues. When Chrome is done updating, relaunch it to finish the process. If the issue still persists after updating Chrome, check your system for malware and viruses. Go to the search bar and type Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. You can perform a quick scan. If a virus is detected on your system, follow the steps Windows will provide to remove it. If your system is free of malware and viruses, but the issue still persists, go back to Network and Internet, select Change Adapter Options again, right-click on your connection and go to Properties. Here, scroll, and if Internet Protocol version 6 is selected, deselect it. Click OK to save, and cancel this and check if the issue has been resolved. If the problem still persists, in Network and Internet, go to Proxy, and here, make sure Use a proxy server is turned off. If you've tried all these steps and it still doesn't work for you, try loading the website on another browser. If it works there, you might have to uninstall Chrome and reinstall it. And those are some easy steps you can take whenever Chrome shows you the issue this site can't be reached. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.